Hello my dear student, today we will start a new chapter. It's chapter 2. It's talking about geometry. We will start with question number 1. In the figure ABCD, this figure, a parallelogram and a point B lies on AE. A point B here lies on the line AE. Okay, if x equal 40 degree, x is an angle, equal 40 degree. What's the value of y? What's the value of y? I want from you to know these informations. These informations about, the first one is about the straight line. If we have a straight line, let's say A, B, C, and we have angle like this. This angle may be angle 1, 2, and 3. If we add three angles, if we add these three angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, the sum should equal 180. The sum should equal 180. This is the first information. The second one about the parallelogram. If we have a parallelogram, this angle A, this B, this C, and this D, the angle A always equal the angle C. So the angle A always congruent to angle C. Congruent means equal. The angle B always equal to the angle D. The angle P congruent to the angle D. This sign means congruent, means if this angle 100, this angle 100. If this angle equal 50, this angle equal 50, and so on. The sum of any parallelogram angles always equal 360. So the angle A plus the angle B plus the angle C plus the angle D always equal 360, and so on for any fourth side polygon. Okay, so these two informations help me to solve these questions. Okay, how we can help? How we can take this information to solve this question? Look at this angle. It's a straight angle. It's like this angle ABC. If we add this x and this x and this x and this angle, we get 180. Okay, but what's the size of this angle? How much this angle? Oh, you talk about parallelogram. The opposite angle are equal. A equal to C. So this angle Y equal to this angle Y. So if I add x and x and x and y, I should get 180. So x plus x plus x plus y equal to 180. Okay, what's the value of x? The value of x is 40. Put here 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus y equal to 180. 40 and 40 and 40 equals 120 plus y equal to 180. Negative 120, negative 120, you get y equal to 60 degree. So the angle y here is equal to 60 degree. So this angle equal to 60 degree. If I want to find A and C, you should add 60 and 60, 120. What's the rest from 360? I will subtract 360 from 190 and will get A and C divided by equal. Let's go, my dear student, to the question number 2. Hello, my student. Let's go to question number 2. In the figure, this figure, lines M and L are parallel. This line parallel with this line. It means no intersection between them. What's the value of X? What's the value of this angle X here? 43, 86, 79, 101. Okay, there is very important informations. You should know it before solve this equation or this question. Okay, what's the information I should know before this equation? The information said if you have two parallel lines, okay, and there's a transversal, this is called a secant line, transversal or secant line, intersect the two parallel lines. This is line L and this is line M. If there is a new line, let's called A intersect L and M in 2 points. There is an exterior angles here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, called exterior angles. And here inside, let's call them 5, 6, 7, 8, called interior angles. So we have exterior angles and interior angles. Okay. What's the relation between these angles? The angle 1 exterior and the angle 4 exterior, they are congruent. They are congruent. Why they are congruent? This angle 1 and angle 4 called alternate exterior. Alternate exterior. What means alternate exterior? It means they are equal each other. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Alternate exterior. And 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Alternate exterior. What's other equations? 6 and 7 called alternate interior. Alternate interior. 6 and 7 and 5 and 8. 5 and 8. They called alternate interior. They are equal each other. 6 equal the angle 7. Angle 5 equal the angle 8, and so on. So here we don't have this form. We don't have this shape. Okay, I can make a new line here, an extra line like this, right? Okay, what we can get from this line? We can get, if you hide this part, okay, take a look for the upper part, The upper part means if this angle 43, this angle 43. Why? Because they are alternate interior. 43 and this 43. Okay, let's hide this part. In the lower part, if this angle 36, this angle is 36. Why? Because they are alternate interior. So the angle x equal 43 degree plus 36 degree. So their sum at them 79 degree. So the answer is 79. Let's go to the question number 3, my dear student.